Hello everyone, I am Kara James C. Pipito and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to build a miniature concordance system using C programming language. Before we start, let me show you the task first. And in order for this video to make clear and concise, I will going to code it first, then I will explain to you line by line what is the purpose of that line and what is the functionality of that line. So, let's go. So now let's start with the header. So I include stdio.h, stdlib.h, string.h, and ctype.h. So this is for scanf and printf, and stdlib.h is for memory allocation, and string.h is to get use of strlen, strcpy, and other string manipulation. Then here is ctype.h for us to get use of lower. Then I define the max length into 500 and I initialize the capacity into 10. So now let's proceed here. Type def struct. So type def struct has the ability to combine those two variables, which is this word and count. So these two variables is contained here in the word entry. Then this function void normalize. Then I made this function in order for the system to treat the strings equally, even though it is a caps lock or smaller case. So by this I used to lower to convert it into lowercase. Then this function is, I named it sLetter. So basically this function is for the system to read alphabetically only, so or to process alphabetically or only here, even though it is a small letter or big letter. So the third function I made is, I named it addWord, and it is a void because we won't returning any value of this function. Then this function is responsible for checking the size of the array. So if the size of the array is greater than or equals to the max capacity, it will double. By this function we can double the capacity of the size. Then we get use of realloc. Then if the interest is equals to null, then we get use of fprintf and print memory allocation failed. Then exit, because in order to avoid misbehavior. Then here I made a for loop to check if the word is already exists. So I get use of strcmp to compare two words, and I increment if the system found a new word. Then here I get used of conditional statement. If the system detects that there is a new word, then automatically it will add to the list. Then strcpy. We use strcpy to initialize the count because it can copy the word that is already exists. Then we can initialize it. Then here in compare. So here we are comparing the two variables, the two word that user is the user inputted. So by the use of this function, we can see the difference of the words that or strings that user input or user have input. Then now let's proceed to the main function. So we declared a variable which is car paragraph. Then it is max length. So the max length is 500 as we declared it earlier. Then we used malloc. So this line here is uh, for the for a notification for users to so that they can see that their memory is or the memory allocation is had failed. So just like I explained earlier. So then I declared a variable which is the int size and int capacity. Then here is output that can read that of what paragraph or what strings that the user had input. Then we call the normalizer or the normalize function to normalize the paragraph or to convert it into lowercase. So then here we made use of stir talk to make the strings into multiple pieces. Then we can, by the use of this line, we can check if the token is a valid word. Then qsort entries to sort the entries of of the strings that input by the user. So by the use of this line, because of this line, we can the output will become alphabetically in order. Then it's time to output the concordance. So here for outputting or getting the output of the concordance or yeah. Then we must free the allocated memory that we used earlier. Then free the entries of the array. So now let's try to run it. So here let's write something. So maybe thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. So here, as you can see, it is alphabetically in order. Then 4 is 1. The only 2 is thank and you. So that's it, guys. That's how you make a miniature concordance system using C programming language. So again, I am Carla and James C. Pepito. For more videos like this, kindly hit the subscribe and notification bell. So thank you for watching.